Jaleesa, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys a really simple eyebrow trick that I think works really well, especially during quarantine where you're not trying to go out and see someone to get your brows done. You just want to get them done at home, do them yourself. And this is probably one of the easiest ways to do it and the longest lasting. So I have this product here from Mina. This is the Eyebrow Henna and they are sponsoring this video. So thank you guys for sponsoring the video. It's a semi-permanent stay up to 6 weeks spot coloring with tattoo effects, no ammonia, no lead brow henna. Pretty much. So you get up to 30 applications. You basically mix the product. So I'll show you guys how to do that. But what you get inside is you get these 3 sachets. You get an instruction book, which is very useful, especially if you've never done anything like this before. You get a little mixing spoon. This is a dropper for 1 milliliter. This is a leftover container for your products. That way, you know, you can just put the leftover powder in here. And then we have a little mixing cup. So the instructions say take half a spoon of powder, put it in the measuring cup, and then pour a few drops of water using the dropper and mix with the spoon for about 5 to 10 minutes until all the parts dissolve and make a smooth and uniform paste. And then you're going to store the remaining powder contents of the packet in the bottle provided in the box. Okay, so to start, I'm going to go ahead and just remove my eyebrows with some makeup remover. So I went ahead and started mixing it with the eyebrow brush because it just gets a little bit, it's just a little bit more firm than that spoon. So it started to develop into this like really nice kind of brown color. So I'm going to go ahead and start to apply this. Now, I know I like my outer brow to be a little bit darker, so I'm going to start there. You only need to put this on for about 5 to 10 minutes. So you're going to start to just draw this on like you would like an eyebrow pomade. And like I said, I like my arch to be a lot darker than the front of my brow. Just cleaning up. It's probably best if you have a Q-tip in case you get it outside of where you want it, but I think I'm okay. What I like about this idea as opposed to, because I've tried a product that was very similar, but it didn't last that long. And what I really like about this product too is that it's a henna product, which means that it's definitely going to last, kind of almost like a temporary tattoo, which I think is great because for brows, like, you know, you don't want to have to keep touching up. So if they can last as long as possible, that's even better, to be honest. I've tried products that were very similar to this, but it wasn't a henna product, so it didn't last that long. It lasted maybe 3-4 days before it really kind of started to fade. And I like how this, because it's like basically a temporary tattoo, it's henna, it's gonna last the entire week. So like I said, just being very careful, and if you need a Q-tip, use a Q-tip just to help clean up. But I'm using such a little amount, I'm literally just kind of grabbing. So I have so much left. I probably didn't need to put as much as I put in. Okay, so I like that. I feel like it's starting to kind of develop. If it stays like this color, oh my god. I'm curious to see what it's gonna look like once I rinse it out. I'm starting to do the front now, because it'll process for less time. And I really, like I said, like that kind of ombre brow where it's a lot feathery and lighter in the front. Okay, so I've applied the product. It looks really good. And I think I'm gonna let this sit. It says 5 to 10 minutes. It's already been about 3 to 4 minutes. So I'm gonna let it sit for about maybe 3 or 4 more minutes, just to kind of see how it's going to evolve. I like the shape. I think if I wake up in the morning and my brows look like this, it's over. It says to leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's been about 4 minutes, so I can give it another 5-ish minutes before I'm gonna start to kind of check it to see. You can always do it in layers too. So if you take it off too soon and it's not dark enough, you can always go back and apply more. I'm gonna let this sit and then I will be right back to wipe it off and show you the finished brow. Okay, so it has been about 10 minutes, so it's time to wipe it off. I have this black cloth here so that way nothing gets, you know, damaged. I'm just gonna start wiping. Now, it definitely did make my brow hairs darker. I wish I had fuller brows because then it would just be like fuller. But as you can see, it looks like I filled in my brows. Now, I do wish, one thing I'll say is that, I mean, it's a combination of me just actually having thin brows in general, like genetically. But I wish that it really dyed the skin so that it looked, you know, just how it looked as it was painted on. But you know, I will take this. I will take this because it's a lot easier if I just need to like run out, go to the grocery store, hop on a Zoom call. Brows are already, you know, darker. They already look filled in. So I think that's a plus. So yeah, I think this is definitely worth the money. For $12.95, you could do your brows at home by yourself. No need to have a professional come do it for you, and you could wake up looking snatched. I love this. Actually, I'll continue using this. Like I said, I was using a product that was very similar, so I'm just gonna start using this one because I do like the results and it looks really good. So let me know what you think down in the comments below. Would you guys try it? I'm gonna leave a coupon code down for you guys so you can check it out, and I will catch you guys next time.